the chicken though.
Wow. This is beautiful, and it has a stage. All right, we are in the wetlands. Look at.
I found those bugs.
What's our final thing? We got 2 fish.
God, what is that?
That's a baby dragonfly.
Yeah!
This is your embarrassing moment. Where's the snake? What? That's not a snake.
Yes, it is. Look close.
It's got snake features.
The baby salamander and its 2 parents.
He's an adult salamander.
That went very high. Bad female turkeys. We just talked to them, even though we're very bad at stalking.
From Charlton, Massachusetts, it's Thursday night!
All jumps are allowed if you are in Yorkie, GPS only. Let's go! Yeah!
Your bright yellow sweatshirt kind of stands out. What do you think?
I think that you should subscribe. Maybe.